What's up? You have to fight. Forget keeping score. Forget all the L's you took. Stay in motion. Go for massive action. Remember why you're doing this. Because, as I've realized from my own decisions, from my own choices, that if you curl up, if you choose to take it easy, if you choose to try to sleep extra to avoid the hurt, the suffering, the struggle, then you have more of what you're trying to avoid. I guarantee it. The best thing that you can do is the most uncomfortable thing that you can do in that moment. And that is, because a lot of people would say, oh, take it easy, don't try. There's a time and place for that. I do believe that. Some things you gotta know just not to sweat. Some things you just gotta leave alone. But no, make no mistake about it. You'll know if this message is for you. Take things personally. It doesn't feel good to feel like a loser. You don't just throw it away and say, oh, no, you're good. Be honest with yourself. Hold on. It doesn't feel good to feel like a loser. It doesn't feel good when everything's not going your way. And therefore, you got to put it on you. You got to remember why you're doing this. You got to look your children in the face. You got to look your depression in the face, your fears in the face, your what ifs in the face. You got to look them in the face. You got to look at your loneliness. You got to look yourself in the mirror. You owe you. Nobody else owes you. You owe you. And with that said, with all the struggle that you've been through, all the heartbreak, what are you going to get from it? Are you going to let the circumstances, let this world, let this system, this country, are you going to let it conquer you? Or will you be a conqueror? Will you keep showing up no matter what? What else do you have? If you really feel like you're at rock bottom, what are you holding on to? All there is up. Isn't that a good thing? And so with that said, I'll encourage you once more to stay in motion. To take massive action. Plant many seeds. Keep showing up in different ways, many ways. Fuck a to-do list, just get after it. Sure, write in your journal. Write where you went wrong, where you went right. But ultimately, you gotta move. That is the great equalizer. That's how you can make up for unfortunate events and growing up without nothing. Finding yourself in a position where you're behind. The great equalizer is you. Alright.